Assalamualaikum everyone, I'm Orna Islam from EC department. Today our topic is laser security system. Now I am continue the introduction part. An operational amplifier is an interrogate circuit that amplify the difference between voltage between two inputs. The most basic circuit op-amps are used as a voltage amplifier which can be broadly divided into non-inverting and inverting amplifiers. Voltage followers or buffers are type of commonly used non-inverting amplifiers. The 555 timer IC is an intricate circuit used in a variety of timer, delay, pulse generation and oscillator application. The 555 timer IC is very cheap, popular and useful precision timing device which can act as either a simple and timer to generate sine, pulse or long time delays, or as relaxation oscillator producing a steering or sustainable waveform of a varying duty cycle from 50 to 100%.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Farah Binti Manzoor. I am currently in my fourth semester. I am from EC department and my major is Tripoli. The project I have made is on laser security alarm circuit, and now I am going to show the components I have used for this project. The component I have used, firstly, LM358. It's a dual operation amplifier integrated circuit with two op-amp powered by the common power supply. It consists of two independent compensator operation amplifiers with low power and high gain frequency. Then I have used 555 timer IC. The 555 timer works by using three 5 kilo ohm resistors to divide the supply voltage in three. Two comparators compare these voltages to the input voltage, then sets or resets a flip-flop according. Then we have used a laser light. A laser light is a device that emits light through a process of optical amplification based on the stimulated emission of electromagnetic radiation. The laser keeps on getting reflected into the detector by the fixed object. Then we have used two 220 ohm resistors and three 10 kilo ohm resistor, and to adjust the voltage we have used 10K potentiometer, and we have used 220 microfarad capacitor. Then we have used LDR, light dependent resistors are used to detect light levels in automatic security lights. Their resistance decreases as the light intensity increases, and we have used a breadboard, a 9-volt battery, two light emitting diodes, and we have used a buzzer.
Assalamu alaikum. This is MD Mridul Hassan. I am from EC department, major in Tripoli. This is my fourth semester. Our project name is the laser security alarm circuit. Now I will show you about the connections of this circuit. In this circuit, we use two IC. One is LM358 and another is any 555 timer IC. For LM358, number 1 pin is connected with number 2 pin of the 555 timer IC. Number 2 pin is connected with the common pin of the potentiometer, and another 2 pin of this potentiometer is connected with the VCC and the ground. Number 3 pin is connected with the LDR, which is connected with the VCC, and another 10K resistor is connected with ground. Number 4 pin is connected with ground. Number 8 pin is directly connected with VCC. For 555 timer IC, number 1 pin is directly connected with the ground, number 4 pin and number 8 pin is directly connected with VCC. Number 2 pin is connected with 220 ohm resistor, and it is connected with the red LED in series, which is connected in the ground. Number 3 pin is also connected with 220 ohm resistor, and it is connected with the green LED in series, and it is also connected in the ground. A buzzer is also parallelly connected with the green LED. Number 6 pin and 7 pin are shorted with each other. Number 7 pin is connected with a 10K resistor, which is connected with VCC. And number 6 pin is connected with a 220 microfarad capacitor, which is connected to the ground.
Hello, my name is Nafis Karim Niloy. I'm doing my BSc in Tripoli in EC department. This is my fourth semester. Today we are working laser security alarm circuit, and I am describing working principle. Here we have used the LM358, which is working as non-inverting comparator. In order to set reference voltage, we have connected a potentiometer in pin number 2. We have adjusted the potentiometer in such a way that the output of the comparator stays high and the red LED is turned on all the time. When the laser is falling on the LDR, in the input voltage is connected with 10 kilo ohm resistor with the op amp. So when the laser falls on the LDR provides a low resistance. On the other hand, if the laser is interrupted, the LDR shows high resistance. Hence, the output of the comparator is changed and the LED will be turned off. And we have connected the output of LM38 from number 1 pin to the trigger pin of the 555 timer. So whenever the output of LM358 is changed, it will trigger the 555 timer IC. Thus we get a high output, which is the pin number 3 of the 555 timer IC. Then we will see the green LED will be turned on and the buzzer will be activated, which is parallel to the green LED. Then we will know the presence of the intruders. So here's the final output. The laser is falling on the LDR and the red LED is turned on. Whenever the laser is interrupted, the green LED is turned on and also the buzzer is activated. Then we know the presence of the intruders.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Suhisa Mama Suba. I am from ECE department, majoring in Tripoli. Currently I am in 4th semester. Laser security alarm circuit is my project for this course. Now I am going to break down the advantages, disadvantages and significance of it. The advantages of laser security alarm circuits are that they are very affordable to set up and maintain compared to the advanced ones. These circuits are very straightforward, that's why they are easy to understand, install and troubleshoot. Due to their simple design and fewer components, they require minimal upkeep. Simpler circuits and fewer components cost less power, that's why they are cost efficient and energy effective. Laser security alarm circuits are accessible for small businesses, homes and individuals with limited budgets. Now the disadvantages are, in laser security alarm circuits may lack advanced qualities like remote monitoring, integration with smart home device, automate alerts. Secondly, they may not offer comprehensive coverage. Thirdly, simpler systems can be prone to false alarms due to their detection mechanism. Next, as security needs increase, they may not offer the same necessarily significant upgrades or replacement. They might less dependent than advanced systems, especially in harsh environment or when tampered with. Now the significance for laser security alarm system are: basic alarm circuits serve as an entry-level solution for individual or small business seeking basic protection. Then they allow for security measurement without significant financial investment, enabling broader access to basic security. Then they offer opportunities for DIY enthusiasts for customize and expand basic system to fit significant needs for tuning, innovation and creativity.